Welcome to Cars News and Music Channel. Watch videos of latest car news and car music updated daily.
The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, has released a replacement video showing a 2019 Jeep Wrangler tipping over during their driver-side small overlap front crash test, the primary time this has ever happened. As you'll see from multiple angles, the Wrangler slams into a stationary barrier and therefore the front crumples. While this is often to be expected, the Jeep then flips over on its side. Unfortunately, this wasn't a one-time occurrence. Because the insurance industry-funded safety body noted, the model was evaluated in three separate driver-side small overlap crash tests, one by Fiat Chrysler as a part of the Institute's verification test program and two at the Institute's vehicle research facility. In both of tests conducted by the organization, the Wrangler rolled onto its passenger side after striking the barrier. Despite tipping over, the Wrangler was given a marginal rating which isn't the IIHS lowest classification. As they explained, the SUV did good otherwise because the driver's space was maintained well and therefore the dummy's movement was well controlled. However, the organization noted the partial rollover presents the danger of additional injury. They also said a vehicle tipping onto its side isn't a suitable outcome for a frontal crash, and as a result, the Wrangler's overall rating was downgraded to marginal. The IIHS went on to mention partial rollovers are especially dangerous as they will end in people being ejected from the vehicle. That's an enormous concern in convertibles just like the Wrangler. While it seems odd that we're just hearing about this now, the IIHS explained the redesigned Wrangler was initially rated nearly as good following a review of documentation and a crash test video submitted by FCA. There in clip, the Wrangler didn't flip. However, the IIHS conducted an audit and therefore the vehicle tipped over there in test. FCA questioned if this was thanks to the way the Wrangler was connected to the system, so a second test was conducted employing a method approved by the automaker. Despite the change, it didn't have any impact on the result as that Wrangler also flipped on its side. While the explanation for the discrepancy is up for debate, the organization did note the Wrangler received good ratings within the moderate overlap front, side, roof and headrest evaluations.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, press like button and please subscribe to my channel to get latest cars news and music videos.